Hey there, and welcome. If you've ever felt like you're in a constant battle with your own computer, well, you are definitely in the right place. We're about to show you a way to get your technology to finally stop fighting you and start working for you. Does this one look familiar? You've got stuff to do, a deadline is looming, you sit down, and your computer just decides it wants to move at the speed of a snail. The frustration is so real. Or maybe it's this. You're right in the zone, typing away, and boom, everything freezes. That little spinning wheel of doom pops up, and you just know you're about to lose whatever you were working on. It's the worst. And then there's this moment. The moment of pure, heart-stopping panic. One clumsy move and your morning coffee is now trying to become best friends with your laptop's keyboard. We've all been there, right? When these things keep happening, it stops feeling like just bad luck. It starts to feel like a constant, draining fight. It's not just stressful, it seriously eats up your time and your focus. Well, it turns out there's actually a name for this crazy cycle. It's called the break-fix trap. You wait for something to go wrong, you panic, you scramble to find someone to fix it, and you end up with surprise costs and lost time. It's a reactive, stressful way to deal with the tools we need every single day. And this really shows the two different worlds you can live in. On one side, you've got that reactive break-fix model. It's just chaos, unpredictable problems, downtime, surprise bills. But on the other side, a proactive partnership. Issues get stopped before they even start. Things run smoothly and your costs are predictable. It's the difference between constant stress and total peace of mind. So here's the good news. You absolutely do not have to live in that trap. There is a much smarter, calmer, and more proactive way to handle your tech. And that better way is right here in our community. Meet H2iK Technology Solutions. Now, don't think of them as just another repair shop. Think of them as your local tech partner, right here in Campbell River, who's dedicated to getting ahead of tech problems for you, whether you're at home or running a small business. So, how do they do it? What's the secret? It all comes down to a cool piece of technology called Remote Monitoring and Management, or RMM for short. Basically, this lets H2iK keep a friendly virtual eye on your systems. They're constantly scanning for security threats, taking care of updates behind the scenes, and spotting hardware issues before they can turn into a full-blown crisis. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, it boils down to three huge benefits. First, your computer stays secure because all those critical security patches are always up to date. Second, you can forget about those annoying time to update pop-ups. They handle all of that for you. And third, they monitor your computer's physical health so they can spot a problem like it's starting to overheat and warn you before a total meltdown happens. But that proactive monitoring is really just the beginning. H2iK is a true all-in-one tech partner for our community, ready to help with pretty much any tech challenge you could throw at them. I mean, just take a look at everything they do. We're talking about everything from repairing a broken screen to building you a completely custom PC from the ground up, or finally getting that smart home setup to work the way it's supposed to. They even do one-on-one tutoring and manage the critical tech for local businesses. But hey, don't just take my word for it. The best way to really get what the H2iK difference is all about is to hear it straight from your neighbors right here in Campbell River. Take April Cotro, for example. She hits on 4 things you absolutely want in a tech partner. Personable, prompt, affordable, and knowledgeable. That's not just about fixing things. That's about providing amazing service. And Jessica Van Buskberg points out something that is so critical, right? Trustworthy, honest, and they always make time for their clients. When you're talking about your personal devices and data, that kind of trust is everything. Richard Kronk keeps it simple, but it says so much, doesn't it? Excellent service and goes above and beyond what I expected. That's the goal right there, to always exceed expectations. And for a local business like Club Fitness, this kind of support is absolutely vital. They say H2iK goes above and beyond to ensure our business operates smooth and makes us a priority. For small business, that kind of peace of mind is just priceless. When you listen to all of those voices, you start to see a theme. This is a company built on a really simple but powerful foundation: integrity and honesty. And that's exactly what keeps their customers coming back. So it's time. It is time to escape that break-fix trap for good. It's time to stop reacting to tech problems and finally start preventing them. Go ahead and take that first step towards a stress-free tech life. Get in touch with H2iK Technology Solutions. You can give them a call at 250-363-9606, or you can find them online at h2ik.net. Seriously, isn't it time your technology felt less like an opponent and more like a dependable partner?